Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here. So let's talk about Friday trade, right? Friday trade was actually really good. I went in with a kind of I went in with a 0.30 lot size. So with two positions, 0.15, two positions of that. Sorry, I'm kind of a bit have the flu right now, so that's why I'm kind of something like that. So I'm drained, everything, right? So let's talk about the supply zone here, right? Let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Hang on. What the hell? Okay, just by the glimpse of this, you guys already know what trend this is. This is a super bearish trend. You guys can see, just look at the EMAs, look at the SMA. You guys can see we are breaking structure to the downside, right? So let's go back over to the 5 minutes. You guys already know what I'm looking at, right? So it's a bit of documentation here. So this zone here, as you guys can see, this zone here was a first zone I was looking at, right? Let me just draw this out for you guys. Hold on. It had a break of structure, gap attached to the zone, and we literally came up. We almost tapped into it, but we didn't get a tap into the zone, right? We just mitigated it and we didn't get a tap, right? So hold on, let me put sorry. So here now you guys can see we came back down here breaking. We created, after almost tapping into the zone, we end up coming back down, breaking more structure to the downside. It doesn't have to be a complete break, it just have to be, it just have to break through, it just have to break past that level right there, right? Which it definitely did. You guys can see it, plus a gap attached to it. If you guys wondering how does this zone have a gap attached to it, let me just take out the brush, right? You guys can see here from the bottom of this wick here, that is starting of the zone, to the top of the third wick. You guys see here we have a gap attached, right? You're probably wondering, so wouldn't it be this right here? No, because watch this, right? You guys can see, to be honest, I explained this in the Discord already. If the bottom of this wick here is like lower than this wick here, lower than this candle here, and it has a gap basically, then the zone is valid still, right? Alright, so that's why I took this zone. So yeah, break of structure right there, we tapped into it. To be honest, the reason I was kind of hesitant with this trade, because on the 1 hour and the 4 hour it actually had liquidity setting like a previous like lows that I was just rejecting off right here. So I was just like basically just hesitant with it, but I was still went through with the plan. I already know what's the trend, so I was just going through with my analysis, right? So we got a tap here, beautiful, but we didn't. Obviously my entry would have been down here, but we didn't get entry. So entry was right here when this candle closed. We got entry a couple of seconds here. Price decided to push up after, which I was kind of watching. I was like, okay, we might get taken out here, or we might go up into this 1 minute zone before coming back down, right? So I'm just watching it here, but guess what? The 13 EMA, I keep saying this, the 13 EMA is super strong. We literally rejected super hard off of that EMA right there, and literally just kept coming back down. We reject, and then this candle here, it just, you guys can see it closed super bearish here, and I was just looking for a continuation of that here, right? This candle here also closed bearish, and I was like, okay, to be honest, if price was to come back here and break above this high, break above this candle wick here, I'm gonna take my exit, because no reason why we had a super bearish candle here and then for us to just turn bullish, right? Most likely price is going to get just to go up and maybe stomp us out, right? And I'm a person, I don't really like to lose that much money, so I learned how to cut my losses early. So, and that's how I just keep it, right? And then, but we then obviously didn't do that. We ended up pushing up a little bit, but we didn't go above like the wick, right, for me to exit out, right? And then it just literally just went straight down to my TP, and that was it. Look how far, watch how far this went. This entire trade just probably went down to like 1 to 5.15, which is really good, right? The reason why this here is saying 1 to 1.09 is because of the TP on MetaTrader was a bit different from TradingView, right? So this here is Friday trade. I'll pop up a screenshot of it somewhere on the screen right here of the profit that we made, right? And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notification. Remember, join link in the description below to the Discord, follow the Instagram Kid on the trades right down here. And remember, signals group are out now. So if you guys want to get more information about the signals group, make sure to join the link in the description below to the Discord so you guys can get more information, or private message me on Instagram, as I said, Trades, right? And have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.